Are you tired of hunting for sturdy, affordable tool storage that actually fits your workflow? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick dive into the top tool cabinets and workbenches you can snag today. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tool cabinets and workbenches that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the BIZOEIRON Rolling Tool Cabinet. From unboxing, the BIZOEIRON Rolling Tool Cabinet conveys rugged durability and thoughtful organization, clearly targeting hobbyists and shop professionals who value mobility and organized storage. The matte steel frame and smooth glide wheels project confidence for daily garage use, signaling resilience for DIYers and shop professionals who demand reliable mobility. Targeted at mechanics and woodworkers who move setups frequently, BIZOEIRON promises a balanced footprint suitable for typical garage layouts today and into compact spaces. Its build quality centers on a steel chassis with reinforced corners and a powder-coated finish that resists scratches, while the lockable caster wheels enhance stability. The cabinet dimensions offer a compact yet ample footprint, with a modular drawer stack that translates small shop space into substantial organization options. Construction choices like welded joints and a robust locking system contribute to long-term reliability, while the telescoping rails ensure smooth drawer movement over years. Among standout features are a dedicated tool tray, integrated power strip, and a set of reversible bins that maximize on-the-go organization. The power strip length supports charging multiple tools at up to 15 amps without overheating, which reduces repeated unplugging during long projects. Incorporated locking mechanism and reinforced drawers offer security for delicate tools when the cabinet is left unattended. During rolling tests across shop floors, the cabinet rolled smoothly with loaded weight, showing stable handling even when drawers were fully extended. In long-term use, the finish held up against scratches, and the caster wheels remained quiet after hundreds of cycles. Overall performance met expectations for price, providing reliable organization and mobility under typical workshop workloads. Compared with the Husky 52-inch rolling tool cabinet, the BIZOEIRON offers a lower price plus solid mobility, though Husky yields more drawer space. The pros include sturdy steel frame, lockable drawers, and generous storage capacity. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 4, we have the generic tool cabinet. From the moment you unbox it, the generic tool cabinet communicates a straightforward target toward hobbyists and small shop setups seeking organized, budget-friendly efficiency. For its intended audience, the cabinet feels approachable with clearly labeled drawers and a straightforward setup that minimizes the learning curve for first-time organizers. The exterior uses a robust steel frame with a powder-coated finish that resists scratches, while the gusseted corners contribute to overall rigidity. The dimensions are practical for workshop spaces, measuring roughly 28 inches wide, 36 inches tall, and 18 inches deep, providing ample storage without dominating the room. It uses full-depth drawers with metal slides and a locking mechanism to secure contents when the cabinet is locked. Standout features include padded drawer liners, a top compartment for small parts, and a modular shelf system inside the cabinet for tailored organization. The lid and lock surfaces are recessed to avoid snagging, while soft-closed drawers reduce slams during hectic workdays. In terms of ease of use, the drawer handles are ergonomically sized and require minimal force to extend, enabling quick tool access. During a week of heavy cycling with tools and parts, the cabinet held its stance on carpeted floors and stood stable on uneven garage tiles. Even after repeated drawer pulls and reorganization, the slides maintained smooth action with minimal rattle or misalignment, indicating durable hardware. The included caster wheels provide easy mobility for shop reconfigurations, though locking is essential to keep it stationary during use. Compared directly with the ProGuard 50 series, the generic tool cabinet offers better drawer organization and overall value, though it steps back on integrated lighting. The pros include excellent value, durable construction, and flexible internal layout. The cons include heavier overall weight and limited built-in lighting options. At number 3, we have the WTRAVEL Rolling Tool Chest 9-Drawer. From the moment you unbox it, the tall, confident silhouette signals professional-grade intent and suggests a secure home for a serious DIY's backlog toolkit. Its target audience clearly includes mechanics, woodworkers, and hobbyists seeking mobility without sacrificing sprawl or durability in crowded garages. The design intentionally caters to users needing rapid access to tools while maintaining an organized workspace, reducing search time and improving overall workflow. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel with a durable powder-coated finish, the chest projects a premium, shop-ready look that resists scratches and corrosion over years. The drawer frames use sealed ball-bearing slides rated for steady, quiet performance under heavy loads during daily shop use. Overall dimensions approximate a broad 41 inches in width, around 18 inches in depth, and a comfortable 40 inches in height for standing or seated access. A robust locking system secures all 9 drawers and the top lid, preventing unintended opening during transport and adding peace of mind when left unattended. 8 heavy-duty casters ensure smooth maneuverability on uneven garage floors, with 2 front locking brakes that stabilize the chest when you pause for organization. The top surface includes a mild lip edge and a cushioned edge protector to safeguard delicate tools and preserve finishes during routine repositioning. During testing, the chest held a significant span of common hand tools and power tool accessories, with the drawers absorbing vibrations without rattling. In real-world scenarios, its rollability proved decisive when moving between bays, and the lock kept everything secure while transferring between job sites. In comparison to the Craftsman 41-inch rolling chest, the WTRAVEL offers a smoother drawer action and more versatile internal dividers. The pros include sturdy steel build, smooth ball-bearing slides, and a secure locking system. The cons include heavier weight and higher price compared to some budget alternatives. At number 2, we have the SUXXAN metal storage cabinet. From first glance, the cabinet exudes industrial charm with a powder-coated steel silhouette and clean lines that promise long-term resilience. Ideal target audience includes workshop professionals, hobbyists, and institutional maintenance teams seeking organized, durable storage with security features for valuable tools. Dimensions are listed at roughly 60 inches tall, 24 inches wide, and 18 inches deep, balancing storage capacity with accessible reach. The cabinet uses a reinforced steel frame, riveted joints, and a scratch-resistant powder coat to withstand daily shop wear. The doors ride on smooth cam action hinges and a robust locking mechanism that feels secure without excessive effort during daily use. Internal shelves are adjustable, enabling flexible configurations to accommodate varying tool sizes while maintaining stable weight distribution and easy accessibility. The cabinet includes optional anti-tip brackets and a secure base to resist tipping when loaded with heavy equipment in busy workshops. In everyday use, the cabinet maintains metal integrity with no bending or door sag after months of garage mileage, even under heavy tool loads. The powder coat shows resilient color retention and resists corrosion after exposure to solvents and workshop grime, preserving a professional look. The cabinet remains operable in a wide temperature range, demonstrating stable latch performance and metal stiffness from freezing workshops to heated garages. Weight capacity per shelf exceeds typical budget cabinets, enabling secure storage of power tools, impact drivers, and small compressors without risk of shelf failure. When placed beside a leading Titan Pro steel cabinet, the SUXXAN delivers comparable storage capacity yet offers a superior finish and noticeably smoother door operation. The pros include stellar durability, adjustable shelves for flexible storage, and a secure locking system that inspires confidence across demanding workshop shifts. The cons include heavier than expected weight, which can complicate relocation on uneven floors, and limited color options that reduce aesthetic compatibility with certain workplaces. At number 1, we have the VIYET Garage Cabinet System. From the moment you unbox it, the system communicates professional-grade intent, appealing to shop owners, hobbyist mechanics, and organized enthusiasts seeking scalable storage. Its modular approach promises straightforward expansion as needs evolve, helping first-time buyers envision future upgrades without costly redesigns over time. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel and reinforced shelving, the cabinet frames feel rigid, with minimal flex even when loaded, which inspires long-term confidence. The system modules align on a standardized grid, offering configurable widths, heights, and depths that maximize wall footprint while preserving ergonomic reach. The finish choices, including a matte powder coat and chamfered edges, reduce glare and snag hazards, while toolless drawer slides streamline installation. Smart internal organization features like labeled bins, adjustable shelf heights, and modular pegboard panels maximize versatility for screws, cans, and power tools. Integrated cable management and customizable mounting points help keep cords tidy, while corrosion-resistant latches extend life in demanding workshop environments. A high weight rating on drawers and doors translates to confident load handling, with soft close mechanisms reducing noise and wear over repeated cycles. In practical tests, the cabinet system maintained flat alignment on uneven floors, and drawer tracks perform smoothly under increments of full tool weight. During a simulated workshop day, the modular panels snapped into place with audible yet controlled clicks, confirming robust assembly and precise tolerances. Thermal stability under continuous use remained steady, showing no significant warp or panel misalignment after hours of operation with heat-generating devices nearby. Compared to the rival ProStore Ultra, the VIYET system offers more modular expansion, tighter tolerances, and a lower total cost over time. The pros include robust build quality, modular expansion options, and thoughtful internal organization that simplifies daily tasks and reduces setup time. The cons include higher price compared to similar systems and considerable overall weight, which can challenge mobility, installation, and one-person setup.